Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Page Setup immediately. Go to Page Layout and click the small launcher icon in Page Setup to open the dialog. Once the dialog appears, switch to the Header/Footer tab and choose Custom Header or Custom Footer. Make sure to inspect left, center, and right sections. You remove any page code like "p" or "an" page directly. Once done, that is the first actionable change to stop Excel inserting page numbers in printouts or previews. Next, you expand the inspection across the workbook. Switch to Page Layout View and scan each worksheet because headers and footers can differ per sheet. Once done, inspect Page Break Preview to spot unexpected header repeats and return to each sheet's header/footer controls. Make sure to check for hidden sheets and the workbook template. Sometimes macros or a template insert and P automatically. If present, open the VBA editor or template and remove the code. Finally, confirm your changes. Click OK in Page Setup, save the workbook, and use Print Preview to verify page numbers are gone. Make sure to preview several sheets. If numbers persist, check Print Titles and Custom Views. Sometimes these store header/footer settings, and disable or edit any workbook macros that run on open. As a key troubleshooting tip, if headers return, reset the workbook's template or remove template-driven header/footer defaults. Doing this stops reapplication of and P and completes the removal process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.